In this video, we'll show you how to configure HDLM on the VMware ESXi host. In this setup, we'll use the ESXi host, where HDLM is installed, and a Hitachi VSP storage system is connected via FC SAN. A typical workflow for configuring HDLM involves the following steps. Configure basic SAN connectivity. Verify compatibility between HDLM and ESXi OS versions. Download the HDLM software from the Hitachi Vantara support site. Install the HDLM software to get HDLM packages for the ESXi host. Upload the HDLM package to the ESXi host data store. Install HDLM on the ESXi host and reboot the host for the settings to take effect. And verify all the required HDLM files are installed and that the device paths are managed by HDLM from the ESXi host. Begin by installing dual-port FCHBA to serve as a cable port on the supported server. Then, connect the HBA ports to a Hitachi VSP storage system through FC SAN switches. Configure zoning on the FC SAN switch. Configure storage by creating a host group on storage ports, assigning host WWPN, creating LDEVs, and mapping them to the host groups created. Then install OS locally, or boot from SAN. Now, before installing HDLM, verify the compatibility between HDLM and ESXi OS versions. To check, go to the Hitachi Vantara product compatibility guide and select the filters accordingly, such as the HDLM version and OS, and if there are any, the records will be listed. Other filters, such as array and protocol, can also be selected. Access the product compatibility guide using the URL or by scanning the QR code. Next, to download the HDLM software, browse through the Hitachi Vantara support site. Select the required version from the drop-down menu. Then download the HDLM software by accepting the end-user license agreement. Access the download link for the HDLM software by scanning the QR code or using the URL below. To obtain HDLM packages for VMware, install the previously downloaded HDLM software on a Windows client machine. First, mount the downloaded HDLM ISO file. Then navigate to the setup file inside HDLM VMware directory and run the setup file. Click Next when the Dynamic Link Manager setup wizard appears. Select license key characters as the license registration method and click Next. Enter the license key and click Next. Select the installation folder and click Next. Continue clicking Next through the subsequent steps. Click Continue after HDLM installation is complete. We may skip the system reboot, as we only want to obtain the HDLM package for the VMware ESXi host and don't want any settings to be changed in this Windows client machine. Now, navigate to the path which was selected as the installation folder, then go to the plugin folder, and verify if the zip file is available for the ESXi OS version of the test server. Then upload the zip file of HDLM package that matches the ESXi host's OS version to the ESXi host data store. Log into the ESXi host, navigate to data store where the HDLM package is uploaded, and extract the zip file to get VIB20 folder. Next, to install the HDLM on the ESXi host, follow the steps. First, navigate to all the folders available under the VIB20 directory, locate the VIB files, and install them one by one. After the installation is complete, reboot the server for the settings to take effect. After the server boots up, verify that all the required HDLM files have been installed. Also, ensure the device paths are managed by HDLM. And this concludes how to configure HDLM on VMware ESXi host. For more information, visit our website www.hitachivantara.com.